I'm a broke college student from Africa trying to make $10,000 a month in 100 days. Today is day two, and I just discovered the one secret all the biggest entrepreneurs share that allows them to sell effortlessly. If you are new here, I have no money, no audience, no clients. I'm building a business from scratch, documenting it every single day. Yesterday was day one where I set up my systems and laid out my plan. Today I went deep on something that 99% of beginners skip, and it's the reason most of them fail. Today I spent the entire day researching my niche, not watching motivational videos, not tweaking my logo, not building a website. I sat down and studied the actual people I'm building this business for. I'm studying their problems, their frustrations, their fears, their traumas, their failures. I'm studying everything about them, and I'm doing all that to build an avatar. I know it's boring, but this is the most essential part of business. If you don't have an avatar, there's no way you can build a profitable business. An avatar is basically a detailed profile of your ideal customer. Think about your favorite creator, the one where every video feels like they are talking directly to you. So it's not an accident. They have studied people like you so deeply that they know exactly what to say to make you feel understood. Every successful entrepreneur does this. They don't guess what their audience wants, they know it because they did their research. Here's how it works. Imagine you could take 10,000 people in your niche, put them in a room, and find every single thing they have in common. Their goals, their doubts, their daily routine, their biggest fears, what they spend money on, who they follow, what they believe about themselves. If you understood all of that about someone, selling to them would be the easiest thing in the world because you'd know exactly what they need before they even tell you. That's what I'm building right now. I'm not going to show you my avatar yet, but if you subscribe, you will see it when it's done and you will see exactly how I use it to land my first clients. But what will I do after I build my avatar? The plan is very simple. Step 1, pick a niche, a specific group of people with money and a painful problem. Done. Step 2, study that niche obsessively until you understand them better than they understand themselves. That's where I'm at right now. And honestly, it's harder than I expected. Step 3, research the solution to their biggest problem. Not just any solution, the one that actually works and that you can deliver. Step 4, package the solution and sell it by focusing on the outcome, not the process. For example, if you want to help skinny people get jacked, you don't sell them your diet plan or your workout routine. The offer should look something like this. I will help you gain 20 pounds of pure muscle in 6 months guaranteed. If you want to achieve your best physique, DM me and let's get started. See the difference? One sells a process no one cares about, the other sells a result. Everyone wants results. I'm not actually saying that, by the way, this is just an example. And honestly, I would buy that if I had money, but I'm broke. If someone could help me gain muscle for free, please DM me. I need that. Now, if you're watching this and you want to build alongside me, here's your homework for today. Pick your niche, and I don't mean think about it, I mean actually decide. Here are 3 questions to help you. 1. Can you find people in your niche online? If you can DM them or email them, it's not a viable niche. 2. Do they have money to pay you? If your niche is broke college students, you're going to have a hard time selling to them. Just look at me. College students are broke. We don't have money. 3. Do they have a painful problem that you could learn to solve? If the answer to all 3 is yes, you have a viable niche. Stop overthinking it, choose a niche and stick to it. That was day 2. Tomorrow I'm going deeper on my research and starting to outline the actual problems I want to solve. If you want to follow this journey and build your business alongside me, subscribe right now. And if you are stuck on picking your niche, drop the word niche in the comments. I will personally get on a call with you and help you find your niche for free. I don't have anything to tell you. I'm just doing this because I want to have some friends following the same process and building alongside me to help me stay accountable. Thank you guys. That was it for today. See you tomorrow, day 3.